Hi guys, welcome back to Design Your Space by Thando. Thank you so much for joining me. I promised you guys a home office and guest bedroom tour. So this is it, guys. Let me show you how I decorated the space and some of the DIYs I had to do to get the space looking like this. And I'll give you a tour later on just to give you some more information on how I did everything else. So keep watching, you guys, to see how this space transformed. When you come in the room, you can see my desk over there. So when you turn, you look at the bed. This is how the bed is looking with the side table and the DIY headboard, which I think looks amazing. And when you focus on the wall over or at the back of the desk is my whiteboard and my vision board. So I'm not done with the vision board. I'm not sure where to put it. That's why it's over there. But the whiteboard helps me a lot because when I plan my day or plan my month or anything that has to do with the business, it helps a lot because I have everything in order and I see everything that I need to do. So it's really helpful. The vision board is really helpful as well. And a lot of people might ask, why do you do a vision board? And I like to visualize my life. So I want to see what my goals are. So that's why I do a vision board. If you this headboard we DIY'd, we just got a pallet and it was cut in half already, and I just installed legs at the bottom just to give it the height. And yeah, and I think it looks amazing with the decor. The bed is amazing, and the bed can be used as a guest bed and my daughter's bed. It's airy, it's light. I like how it looks. Let me show you properly, guys. This is really nice. I like it for the single bed, and I didn't have to buy it, so that's really good because I might change this bed, so it would be a waste to buy a headboard. So yeah, this is an idea that you guys can do for your kids, for yourself, if you are renting in a small space. And yeah, you can do this for a double bed as well. It looks nice. I've seen it. So yeah, and I have just these pillows that complement the decor of the bed. And then over on this side I have this nice side table or butler's tray. It's really nice because it's multifunctional as well. You can use it when you're eating, having breakfast, or serving your guest, or yeah, using it as a side table. So I really like it. And I have a candle over on this side. I just have some flowers. And if you can see, we have not painted, the walls haven't been painted, but this room is looking really good for walls that have not been painted. I think it looks lighter than before, so I'm really happy with the results. On my desk over on this side facing the window, it's really lovely working there because I can see outside and think. And moving over to the desk and working area, I have this chair which I covered with a fur throw I think it looks amazing. I think it's the center of this room, like when you walk in. It's really amazing. And I have my desk. I'm actually really happy with the color of my desk, you guys. I know in a design's perspective, you're supposed to get a lighter desk that can actually make the room look bigger and more lighter. But to be honest with you, I wanted a darker desk because I wanted something really professional, something that I can move with space to space, and I can also, my daughter can also use it when she's old enough. So I'm really happy with how this looks at the moment, and I'm happy with the potential that I can still paint it and DIY it when time goes by. So that's the reason I chose this exact color. And yeah, I have everything on my desk that I need. I have my laptop. I have on the side here, I've put together this little tray with the pineapple flowers and my baby girl's photo and a clock that is not working at the moment. And then on this side, I just have, I actually DIY'd these. These are not bookends, guys. These are, I don't know, you see when you're cutting a palette, there's these block things that stay behind. So I took these and I painted them and I made bookends. I think they look amazing. And then I have my books and DYS diffuser, you guys. These smell absolutely amazing. I have a radio. I have some of my files over here that I need quickly, like design books and magazines and stuff like that. And over to this corner, I just have my camera case, some magazines that I still want to go through, and I have this baby over here. I actually found this, it was getting thrown away, guys, and I was like, you know what, I can use this. So I actually printed out my company names and everything that I need, like paperwork, things that need to be sorted, like receipts, invoices. So I have that figured out. I like this because it was easy to clean and reusable. So yeah, I got that, and that's the bin over there. And yeah, basically that's it. This is how my room is looking, guys. I'm absolutely impressed. I can really think and focus and plan, and thank you so much, you guys. You have been so supportive and I love your comments. I like interacting with you guys. It's such a pleasure. Thank you so much. Keep on interacting and let's share ideas, you guys. I really love home decor. I really love interior decorating and interior design. So if you want me to hook up your space, let me know. Yeah, man. So thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also share this video and give someone else some inspiration and show them that you can actually change your space and make it multifunctional and suit your desires for that time being. It doesn't take a lot to fix a space, you guys. I hope you see how you can make multifunctional spaces and make a space work for you. So thank you so much. I really enjoyed filming this video for you. I hope it inspired you. And as I've shown you with this room, guys, I'm so excited. I work in here and yeah, man, this is amazing. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.